A very good morning, my lovely students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your activity class. In this activity class, we are going to do craft work. For this, you all need your art and craft book on your table. So, take out your art and craft notebook. Now, open your book. Open page number 36. Open page number 36. What you all are seeing? Here you have to make spring flower. Okay? With the help of paper. Now, for this, what you all need? You all need colorful paper. That is already given in your book. Look. It is given over here, yellow, blue and red. Pull out this sheet. Okay. Now, what you have to do, you have taken out this sheet. Now, cut this extra part with the help of scissors. Start cutting. Like this, okay? Now, we will cut all these parts. Red color first of all, then blue, okay? Now, look, I have taken yellow, blue and red color sheet. Now, what you all will do, you have to cut this rectangle shape sheet into a square shape. How? You have to fold from one side like this. You have to fold it like this. Okay? Done? Everyone has done? Now, same way you have to fold blue color sheet also. Start folding like this. Look. Like this you have to fold. Why we are folding like this? For making square piece. Okay? Now fold red color sheet like this. Crease it well. Okay? Now take scale and pencil. Now draw a line like this. You all are able to see now this folded paper. Put like this and scale and draw a line. Okay, same way you have to do with all three color paper. Now it's turn off red color sheet. Now with the help of scissors, remove this extra part. Now it's turn off blue. Now last one is yellow. Look. Square shape pieces are ready. Are you able to see? Rectangle piece sheet turn into a square. Okay, now what you will do? You have to fold this sheet like this diagonally. Fold it. Fold all the sheet like this. Done. I have folded all 3 sheets. Now what we will do, just take this sheet, okay, like this. Now fold this portion at the top and crease it well, like this. It's looking like a boat now. Same way you have to do with this sheets also, like this. Fold it up and crease it well. Now it's turn off red color sheet. Fold it up and crease it well. Okay. Now what we will do, we will just take this paper and put like this. Okay, like this you have to put. Everyone has done. Now fold it from the center like this. Again you have to fold like this. Same, you have to put your finger over here and fold this paper also. Look. Done. Same way you have to do with this sheet also. Now again you have to put it like this. Okay. Now put finger at the center of the page. Now fold it like this and crease it well. Again you have to fold it from here. Look, our blue color flower is also ready. Now it's turn off red color. Again you have to put like this and fold like this. And same way from here also. Look, our red color, blue color and yellow color flower is ready now. Now what is left? What we will do, we will take a Fevicol and paste this flower in this stem. Now start pasting. First of all, let's turn off red color. Now see, where you have to apply Fevicol. You all have made like this. Now turn it like this. You have to apply Fevicol at the back of the flower. Like this. Now paste it towards down like this, beta. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to take yellow color paper and fold it. Then you have to apply Fevicol at the back of the flower. Now paste this over here. Now our red color flower, yellow color flower is ready. What is left? Blue color flower. Now turn it and then apply Fevicol. Now you have to put this. Okay, now what you all are able to see, our red color flower, yellow and blue color flower is ready. Okay, now we have prepared this spring color flower with the help of paper. Same way you have to make this flower in your book and paste it in your page number 36. Okay beta, now I hope you all have enjoyed today's class. Thank you.